Howdy, howdy. It is Mrs. Ellis again, and this time I am using Screencast again. I've never used this before where I'm actually showing the screen. So I am going to delete this big land icon right there. Simple. And then I am going to insert a video. I have to search the video, and that video could probably be on my Google Drive. And the Google Drive videos are ones that I had made along last spring for my little elementary kids. So I would select it, such as this. Click it. Someone needs access to the file. Share. I will make it a little bit smaller. Put it on right there so that it fits, and voila, there we go. Now I got to get back to where I was because I am still videoing. Oh, I guess I can stop right here.